Narrator, after lighting up the cave of forgotten smiles, Arian's kindness compass pointed him toward a new adventure. Narrator, the compass led Arian into the heart of the forest of forgotten hopes. This forest was once full of dreams and wishes, but now, the trees were dark and silent. Narrator, in this forest, the hopes of many people had been forgotten, their dreams lost in the shadows of time. Narrator, the fairy appeared, her wings glowing brightly even in the darkest forest. Fairy, each tree in this forest holds a lost hope. Only acts of kindness can bring the hopes back to life. Narrator, Arian knew that kindness could awaken the forgotten dreams. He must act quickly to restore the forest's light. Narrator, first, Arian found a lost puppy, shivering beneath a tree. Narrator, next, Arian saw a young girl sitting alone, looking sad under the shade of a tree. Narrator, Arian's kindness filled the air, and soon, the trees began to glow with renewed life. Narrator, with each kind act, the forest grew brighter and brighter, the air filled with joy and laughter. Narrator, finally, Arian found a group of people whose dreams had been forgotten. With a simple smile and kind words, he helped them believe again. Narrator, with Arian's help, the lost hopes were restored, and the forest became a place of light and dreams once more. Fairy, you've brought hope back to the forest, Superboy. Narrator, and so, the forest of forgotten hopes was transformed into a forest of blooming dreams, shining with kindness and new possibilities. Narrator, with kindness, even the forgotten can find their way back to hope.